Today, I want to talk about something that's been blowing my mind lately: the incredible impact of artificial intelligence on the way we listen to music. Trust me, you won't believe the mind-blowing advancements happening right now in the music industry. Number 1. AI-powered recommendation systems. We've all been there, spending hours scrolling through endless playlists, trying to find our next favorite song. Well, AI is here to save the day. With smart algorithms that analyze our listening habits, AI can curate personalized playlists that cater to our unique tastes. Whether you're into jazz, rock, or EDM, AI recommendations never fail to surprise you with hidden gems you never knew existed. Number 2. AI-generated music. AI isn't just helping us discover new music, it's actually creating original compositions of its own. Using deep learning algorithms, AI can compose melodies, harmonies, and even full-blown symphonies. It's like having an infinite team of musical geniuses at our fingertips. Imagine the possibilities: music tailored for specific moods, settings, or even for your favorite workout routine. The future of music has never sounded so exciting. Number 3. Virtual artists and performances. While we're on the topic of AI, let's talk about virtual artists. Remember the iconic holographic performance of the late Tupac Shakur at Coachella? Well, AI is taking that concept to a whole new level. Thanks to advancements in facial recognition and motion capture technologies, we can have virtual artists performing on stage, breathing life into our favorite icons from the past or creating entirely new ones. Number 4. AI-assisted music production. Not only is AI changing the way we listen to music, but it's also revolutionizing the process of creating it. AI-assisted music production tools are empowering artists, both aspiring and established, to explore new creative horizons. From generating unique drum beats to suggesting chord progressions, AI can provide endless inspiration and help musicians overcome creative blocks. It's like having a genius producer right beside you, complementing your ideas with a touch of AI magic. Number 5. Real-time remixing and mashups. Lastly, let's talk about real-time remixing and mashups. With AI algorithms analyzing various music tracks, it's now possible to create unbelievable mashups on the fly. Pop, rock, hip-hop, throw it all in, and AI will magically blend them seamlessly, resulting in musical masterpieces you never thought were possible. DJs and musicians are taking advantage of this technology, creating mind-blowing live performances that captivate audiences like never before. And there you have it, folks. The world of music is undergoing a radical transformation thanks to the wonders of AI. What do you think about this exciting revolution? Let me know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, keep listening and exploring the remarkable world of music.